Want to keep all your important emails inside Slack? Let me show you how to forward emails directly into your workspace in just a few steps. First, open your Slack app and sign in. In the bottom left corner, click your profile photo and select Preferences. Go to the Messages and Media tab and click Get a Forwarding Address. Slack will generate a unique email address for your workspace. Copy it. Now head over to Gmail. Click the gear icon in the top right. Open Settings and go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Select Create a new filter. Then paste the Slack forwarding email into the To field. Next, choose what happens to those emails, like skipping the inbox or marking them as read. Then click Create Filter. From now on, emails that meet your filter rules will land directly in Slack, keeping everything in one place. And that's it. You've successfully connected Gmail to Slack. No more digging through inboxes. Your key emails now show up right in your workspace. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.